Razer is known for pushing boundaries in the world of gaming accessories, and with the Clio, they're taking your audio experience to a whole new level. This isn't just another set of speakers or headphones. This is a revolutionary way to immerse yourself in sound, without the bulk, the wires, or the pressure. At first glance, the Razer Clio might look like a premium headrest designed to elevate your gaming throne. But look closely, and you'll see something more. Sleek wings that house cutting-edge audio technology, transforming your chair into an audio powerhouse. Each wing is home to a near-field speaker with a 43mm driver paired with a passive radiator. This design delivers deep bass and sparkling treble, creating the immersive surround sound experience you've been waiting for, without the need for bulky speakers or cumbersome headphones. Whether you're locked into an intense game or enjoying a movie night, the Clio's unique placement and precise speaker angles deliver a cinematic soundstage that surrounds you. The result? Audio that feels like it's coming from every direction, right behind your ears with zero wires and no clutter. And when it comes to convenience, Razer has you covered. The Clio connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to virtually any device, so you can easily switch between gaming, watching movies, or even listening to music on your tablet or smartphone. Plus, with Razer's HyperSpeed wireless technology, you'll experience ultra-low latency, keeping sound and action perfectly in sync, whether you're gaming on your PC or streaming the latest blockbuster. Mounting the Clio is simple, thanks to adjustable straps that fit most high-back gaming and office chairs. But keep in mind, this isn't just for any chair. This is for the gamer who wants a premium, immersive setup that takes their audio experience to the next level. With a 5,400 mAh battery, the Clio offers up to 14 hours of playtime. Perfect for those long gaming marathons or extended movie binges, though you might need to recharge before that all-day movie marathon. Priced at $229.99, the Razer Clio may be a splurge, but for those ready to ditch bulky headphones and complex speaker setups, it's an investment in style, innovation, and immersive audio like never before. Transform your chair into a cinematic throne, the Razer Clio, because your seat deserves the best sound. Discover more at Razer.com.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.